Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of enabling the highest quality upload in the Threads app on your Android phone. Uploading media in the best quality can improve how your photos and videos look to your friends and followers. Let's get started. Open the Threads app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then tap the two horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Account. Tap on it to access your account settings. Now, tap on Media. Finally, turn on the Upload Highest Quality option to enable it. That's all there is to it. Enabling the highest quality upload ensures your media is shared with the best clarity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.